Mathina kiheri ni mumagumeire thibitari munene wa Kenyatta na amwe aria marekinya guku kumatha motungata marahinyiririo kuhunduka micii matatungateirwo. Arwaru a murimu wa cancer nio magumeirwo makiria ni mathina maya kuona macini iria ihuthikaga urigiti-ini wa murimu uyu ni thuku, undu uria uracungiriria gicunji kia 50 hari 100 kia arwaru aria mekinyagia thibitari uyu oro muthenya kumatha motungata macio thibitari-ini ingi.
Where the one that they have is not actually working, it needs some repair. They have bunkers, actually can take 4 of these machines, but as of now, none is actually working. So therefore, it's very important that as quickly as possible, and with the budget period, we are starting the budget period, is actually supported that they get these machines.
They intend to have it ready by the end of this week. It has been out because of a number of small items here that require repairs.
Kurumirira mugomo wa arigitani a gikiro gia clinical officers hamwe na manathi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, thibitari uyu uri na muhatikano munene wa atumia aria marabatara uteithio wa kugia ciana. Urugamiriri wa guku ukiuga muhatikano ucio ni uracungiriria ugwati kuri atumia aritu amu kuri nao mataramukira utungata ihinda riria riagiriire.
Because of this congestion, they come late. And when they come here, they overwhelm the system. So mothers and sometimes babies are dying because they have to wait for a long time because other facilities are not working. They have beds for about between 30 and 40. And they have up to 90 patients that they are having on a daily basis.
Thengia na macio thibitari uyu uhuthagira milioni 600 oro mwaka kugura riera ria oxygen, na uu ni ona thutha wa gukorwo kuri na mutambo wa riera riri uria wahuthirire milioni 450 no indi ndukoretwo ukiruta wira.
Kenyatta doesn't have an oxygen unit, oxygen plant. The plant is not producing any oxygen. We are very concerned as a committee.
Thina uyu wirikanite umanite na gukorwo mutambo uyu ndukinyanirie ikiro iria ciendekanaga. Kamiti ya bunge ikiranira guthuthuria kiria kiahingicanire.
700 patients on a daily basis on oxygen, and we are procuring that oxygen for our patients. Occasionally we also get oxygen from our sister institutions.
Thina ungi ugumeire thibitari uyu ni unyihu wa thakame, kuona kwa ihinda iraya gutikoretwo na andu marerutira kuheana thakame. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo wa Mbui wa Njuguna.